Thanks to CTO Liu introduced our technology invention. Next, I will tell you what obstacles we try to conquer, our solution, and our service model. The traditional discovery and the development pipeline goes through a long process that contains hit, target to hit, hit to lead, compound synthesis, and a series of preclinical trials. When we encounter druggability issues at the late stage of the pipeline, the commonly used way to fix the problem is lead optimization. However, it's a big problem to keeping the efficacy and improving the druggability at the same time. I know everyone here donates your life to improving human health. We have the same dream. I believe it's our responsibility to help pharmaceutical industry with our AI technique. The AI-driven drug development platform is our solution to combine practical science experiments and AI methods. When the initial compound structure and the requirements provide to us, the ADDD platform can expand over thousands compounds in weeks. We have considered the synthesis route at the beginning. Then, the compounds are filtered by ADMET and pharmacokinetics properties to obtain the overall safety profile. The selection and ranking process can help you to prioritize the compound list. Our expansion model provides over 1,000 compounds considering reasonable synthesis in 3 weeks. These expansion models generate compound structure for multiple parameters automatically. The AI models can help you to improve your compound property, but you may save the try and error cost before you do any trial. Due to the reinforcement learning can build a high-quality compound library. It will show its powerful ability in the earlier phase. From the drug discovery, AI can play an important role in efficacy assessment with an overall comprehensive evaluation. After the de novo design and screening with powerful AI tools, we can use our information management talent to help you maintain the datasets from preclinical trials. With our proprietary framework, it's smooth to integrate those datasets into a new, better in-house AI model for you to obtain more precise prediction. If you have experiment data from the same bioassay from the previous pipeline, those datasets can also integrate into the AI model. Now, I will demo how to use the ADDD platform to screen and generate more appropriate compounds.
Now, let's demo the demo version of VirtualMan. During this demo, it shows the key feature of VirtualMan for ADMET PK and the most important part of ADDD platform, the lead optimization. It will automatically atomize the compound and generate some compound list. Now let's start the demo. This is the first screen of the free trial. We have provided some example compound for you. You could see the powerful explainable AI and use this compound to optimize its feature. If you are not satisfied for the compound we provide, you could key in the smiles of your personal compound. For This time, I will show you the smiles and preview the compound structure here. After that, you could calculate the compound. If you have some compound you have interested, you could choose on the screen and just click touch for calculating. We provide 10 compounds here, and you could choose each one to calculate its properties. How to get the information from explainable model? You could just only click on the touch to view of some toxic endpoint. After that, you can see the risky substructure is figured out on the compound structure image. Then let's start to demo the optimization feature about our service. If you want to use the optimization service, just move your mouse to the button and select a property. Then click the optimize. The optimization will start automatically and will feedback to you. Because the optimization, when you want to generate a compound library, it takes time. So we provide the URL when you need afterward. But now let's continue to optimization result page. You can see your optimization result here. It lists the diversity compound structures, which has better log P predictions. And then you may not satisfied for the log P, it will give you more predictions about the estimate PK prediction. You just only have to click view estimate PK prediction to know the overall property of those compounds. At last, if you want to keep the optimization result, you could just click the download report to my email. It will send the result to your email. You could use the data sets for any purpose of what you want. Now let's start to introduce our cloud service.
I have demoed the use of cloud service. Why did we choose the way to release our models, unlike another traditional software packages? The traditional offline software needs an IT team to maintain the running environment. When there is new requirements appear, the offline software is not easy to integrate or build a new model. Maybe you have experience in using the software packages. When you want to get the result faster, the software is still running slowly. Why? Because the computer is come here 5 years ago. So we use the cloud service to announce our AI model. You can save the cost of building an IT team and always keep the newest version. The AI usually be described as a black box. Most neural networks cannot tell the users how it yields the results. With our advanced technology, our models can share their opinion to the humans. As the CTO said, we didn't give the models any rules. The substructure alerts shown on the screen is the feature extracted by the training process. Our prediction endpoints cover the diverse types of properties containing physiochemical, toxicity, and pharmacokinetics. Same as the in-house preclinical models in the AAAD platform. With our proprietary AI technology, we also provide customized AI training service. Those novel compounds can integrate into SAS or the AAAD platform without any penalty. VirtualMan's cloud service based on Amazon Web Services. It is easy to expand the computing capacity by the parallel computing architecture. Also, we joined the AWS developer ecosystem. The cloud service always keeps the encrypted connection for cybersecurity and always on the model infrastructure. The SaaS contains different packages for the users. For the earlier phase, the teams may need more prediction amounts for virtual high-throughput screening. They can choose the subscription package for unlimited use. For the later phase, there are fewer compounds still left in the pipeline. The team can pick the on-demand version to control their budget. Both versions contain parallel computing technology to accelerate the development process. Today, we announced the trial version for you. We provide some endpoints you may interest in. After you register an account, you will receive free credit to use it. This version also contains the parallel computing feature. You can find the link for the trial in the information field below. Now, let me introduce the trial version.
Now we can see the cloud service. This is the trial version. You can log in with Google. When you click the button, it will redirect to the Google application. I will choose my personal account to log in. It has submitted before, so I could log in directly. After you log in, you can see there's some tasks we have calculated, and you could use the 100 credit we provided before and use this credit to do some personal prediction. Or if you need more credit to do more research, you could complete your profile to get more 100 credit for comprehensive trial. Okay, I will do that later, but you can see here, you can complete your profile. Now we use this UI to complete our profile. You just only have to fill in your company, title, name, job role, and country. And after you submit, you can get another 100 points for your prediction. Now I will show you how powerful result the cloud service could give you. For example, I will choose the task 3. The data sets are from the public domain, and we use those compound structure to predict. You can see here that is a name, it's a famous compound, right? And it smiles. And for this time, you could move your mouse on the symbol of the smiles, and it will show its position on the structure. Next is our endpoint prediction. You could see the physical or chemical properties, absorption, shape. The endpoint is not the full accessible. We just only release some endpoints on the free trial version. If you need more, please contact us. Now we can use the structure analysis to see the explainable model results for the toxicity endpoints. For this simple, there are no mutagenicity, but in this one, we can see it has mutagenicity and figure out the risky substructure on the screen. Then we can use the comparison table to see the total comparison in the task. We will list all the results on the table. You could use you could see the structure and the comparison table to choose which one is more interested for you. Next, I will show how to create a new task. The create a new task is easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, add compound 2, select endpoint 3, confirm the content of your calculation. When you want to add a compound, you could key in a smiles or draw chemical structure directly. For example, we could draw the structure here and use the smiles preview to gain the structure, smiles, and add to list. The third part is upload file. Upload file we could upload the smile file, SMI file, and import it to the list. It's very simple. You can see here, the compound list generates its structure and prepare to predict. The compounds are introduced into the list. Then we go to next step. The next step is to choose the endpoints you want. There are some free endpoints and some endpoints we will give you the price and you could use a free credit to predict. I'll choose some of them. And then the endpoint list shows which endpoint you click and you select. If there are no question, we could go next to check the compound list and the endpoint list. Okay, this will automatically calculate the amount and the balance of your account. If you need more, you could upgrade and contact with us. But now we just only check out and calculate. It will forward to the home page, and those prediction result will fill in after it's completed. That is a simple demo for our trial version. If you need more information, welcome to contact with us, and our contact information will release below. Thank you for your listening. Join our platform and accelerate your pipeline now.